Morning, ma'am.
Beta, can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we are going to do today is we are going to do question answers for the third chapter, that is nationalism in India. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, what is required? You all keep your books with you. I will tell you the page number from where I'm asking you the question. You can take help of the book to answer the questions. You all need to write these answers in your notebooks as well. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Question number 1. Swastik, are you there? Beta, first question का answer. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So 15 minutes you take to write and then we will discuss, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the questions also, or simply just answers?
Only answers, beta. Question number and the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, and how many words we have to write?
Beta, Vatsal, these are all short answers. ठीक है?
And 1 marks,
हाँ,
subjectives.
these are हाँ objective.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. चलिए, I hope all have done. बेटा हो गया
Ma'am,
अनादि?
please wait.
Yes, ma'am. Please wait.
हाँ हाँ, no issues. बेटा हो गया, डिस्कस करें?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. What was the turning point in history of Indian national movement? Anybody?
Ma'am, Khilafat movement.
Hmm. Uh, ठीक है. हाँ, खिलाफत मूवमेंट ही होना चाहिए, बट इसका बहुत ऑथेंटिक नहीं लग रहा है ये आंसर. Anybody else? Zeba, what have you written?
Ma'am, I haven't written this answer.
Hmm. Who else is there in the meeting? Nabil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ. Answer to this question.
Ma'am, actually, I have joined just now, so ma'am, I'm doing it right now.
सुनो, मैंने लिया था तुमको अंदर, बहुत देर हो गई है. More than 10-15 minutes. Nabil,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know the answer or
Ma'am,
not? What was the turning
ma'am,
point?
can you tell the
Hmm?
ma'am, can you tell the question number?
Question number first. What was the turning point? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing first question. What was the turning point in history of Indian national movement?
Ma'am, this one I don't know.
टर्निंग पॉइंट, ये क्या बोलते हैं, खिलाफत मूवमेंट टर्निंग पॉइंट कैसे हो सकता है? टर्निंग पॉइंट तो नहीं हो सकता है ये, है ना? तो इसको अभी छोड़ दो, बाद में करते हैं. What change came after the First World War?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the taxes were increased, the rents were also increased, and ma'am, people were required for the war, so there was forced re-increment.
No, but they are asking after the First World War. After, not when it started.
Ma'am, customs duties were raised and income tax was introduced.
Income tax was introduced, though it was introduced during the war only, but then after that also it continued. ठीक है? ठीक है, Nabil?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Then next is, what was the impact of national movement? What was the impact of national movement?
Ma'am, it made new social group and developed new modes of struggle.
दोबारा it created what?
1 minute.
हाँ.
Ma'am, it created a new social group and developed new modes of struggle.
ठीक है, very good, very good. Then what were the hardships suffered? What were the hardships suffered during the war? इसमें नबील वाला आंसर आएगा जो आप कह रहे थे.
Ma'am, all the 3 points.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
दोबारा बता दो आंसर.
Ma'am, the taxes were imposed on the people. The rents were increased, and people were required in the war, so there was forced recruitment.
Recruitment. ठीक है, very good. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do we say Mahatma Gandhi was and is a leader of unquestionable ability? नहीं. Why was it difficult to forge unity among all different groups and classes? Leave this question.
Ma'am,
Leave. You want to tell Zeba?
ma'am, like every like group or like class have their own idea of nationalism.
हाँ, ये आप कह सकते हो. Why it was difficult to forge unity among all different groups and classes because everybody, they had their own way of defining freedom for them. Like if we talk about Dalits, for them freedom was to get the opportunity to have the basic facilities available for them. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Come to skip this 6th question. Come to 7th question. When did idea of nation take deep roots in India? When did idea of nation take deep roots in India? बताओ.
Ma'am, with civil disobedience movement.
नहीं. आप बताओ.
Ma'am, then I don't know.
Anybody else? Anadi? Nabil?
Ma'am, Satyagraha movement.
हाँ. मेरे समझ से ये जो आपका रूलर टैक्स था ना उसके बाद से है ना. सत्याग्रह सत्याग्रह से नहीं बट जो रूलर टैक्ट में जो भी हुआ आफ्टर द जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर जो था आफ्टर दैट. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Which common bond brought different groups together in the anti-colonial struggle? कॉमन बॉन्ड क्या थी जो अलग अलग ग्रुप्स को एक साथ लेके आई. दैट वाज दे ऑल वर बीइंग अप्रेस्ड बाय द colonial rulers. है ना. The common bond that brought different groups together in the anti-colonial struggle was the sense of being oppressed under the colonialism. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
In what way the First World War was a big shock to imperialism in India? बताओ.
Ma'am, like there was a crop failure, and because of which there was shortage of food in the whole country.
हाँ. In what way the First World War was a big
And
shock to imperialism in India? ये था कि भाई इसके बाद जो है जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर थी ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर वट एवर वॉज फोर्स्ड ऑन द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री. है ना. उन सब चीजों से people were affected and once the world war got over the British had to face the anger of the people in various ways. Like Satyagraha movement was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi. Then there was non-cooperation movement. There was Khilafat movement, right?
yes, ma'am.
Now give any one reason why Gandhiji used Satyagraha against British.
Ma'am, 10 is left. Question number 10.
Question number 10. Sorry. Which action of the British government angered the villagers during the First World War?
Forced recruitment.
Yes, ma'am. Forced recruitment.
Of the farmers, of the peasants, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Then question. Give one reason why Gandhiji used satyagraha against British.
Ma'am, because Mahatma
Because
Gandhi
Believed in.
thought that, ma'am, believed that this satyagraha will unite all Indians.
And satyagraha, the idea of satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth.
and ma'am, if the cause was true, then the struggle was again.
If the cause was true, then the struggle was against injustice. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Three places where Gandhiji first tried this non-violence weapon of satyagraha.
Ma'am, in Bihar, Champaran in Bihar, Kheda district in Gujarat in 1917, Champaran in 1916, and in Ahmedabad in 1918.
ठीक है. ठीक है. These were the three places where Gandhiji used this satyagraha as non-violence weapon. Which events led to Gandhiji starting the non-cooperation movement?
Ma'am, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The events, see, the Rowlatt Act that was hurriedly passed by the imperial government. Then the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. These two events, basically, these two events uh, led to the starting of the non-cooperation movement. Okay? Which
Okay.
movement was joined by Gandhiji to promote Hindu-Muslim unity?
Ma'am,
Khilaf.
Khilafat movement.
Very good. Khilafat movement was joined by Gandhiji to promote Hindu-Muslim unity through the non-cooperation movement. Very good. Then name the Muslim leader of the Khilafat movement.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali and
Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali.
Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Very good. Then इनको छोड़ दो. What was Rowlatt Act?
Ma'am, it was an act passed by Imperial Legislative Council. Indians opposed it, and there were no Indian, and it gave enormous power to repress political activities, and it allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years.
Okay, Rowlatt Act was an act which was passed by the imperial government. This act gave enormous powers to the colonial rulers by repressing the political activities, and it also allowed for the detention of the political prisoners without any trial. ठीक है? In which year this Rowlatt Act was introduced?